We've done Kentucky, Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, and now Wyoming. 5 states in one day.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 09:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Merrick, Ness, and Polk.
Why are you interrogating me? Stop!
Oh. Carter, we made it to Wyoming. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, Grace has her stinky feet out. I can smell them still. With her gingivitis.
Grace doesn't have stinky feet, Carter.
They smell like doo-doo, bro.
No, they don't.
No little girl that age should have feet that smell that bad. Like she's sweating mayonnaise or something.
What's going on, everybody? Jason here with Rolling with Sanchezs. We're on day 2 of our work camping. And then, wait. If you're new here, hit that follow button, like, subscribe, show our friends, because we post content every week, every Saturday. We post content. Yeah, and you guys are going to want to check it out because we're work camping for a reason.
Leaving for 3 weeks. Mission: get these kids back to school.
Yeah, we have to go back to school.
Say yay, Carter. We'll be back real quick. We'll be back quick.
That's probably because
Oh my goodness.
we did not talk.
You're going to school? Almost halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4 out. It's beginning to be peaceful. It took them like 5 hours to fall asleep, I think. They've been driving me nuts, going through all the bags. But yeah, only 8 more hours to go. We're in Missouri. We're in Missouri, about to go to Nebraska. And now we're going to stop and get gas. It's weird driving the car. It was only $20 to fill up the car. $20. I only paid $28. We stopped once and ate at High Point in St. Charles, Missouri. Right out of St. Louis. We stopped and ate there. The best burger you will ever have in your life. Now we're 8 hours away. I'm just trying to find a radio station to last out this last 8 hours. The reason why we're late to take the kids back is because we almost got hit by a tornado. So we were at the KOA for like 2 or 3 days, and then a freaking tornado warning, and it was tornado watch. It wasn't even, it was getting pretty serious. Like if the tornado would have shifted or whatever, it may have touched down. So yeah, we bunkered down in the little shelter they have at the KOA, and we left the next day. I'll update you later because I don't remember where we're at. Been driving for 9 hours, so yeah, I'm almost halfway done. Started driving around 6:30 in the morning, and people don't realize that there's a time change. So we have a 2-hour time difference. So we went over Mountain Time, and then we went over Central Time, and then we went over Eastern Time. So now we're going back 2 hours again. All right, I'll see where we're at. Check in with you guys later. Okay guys, I figured it out. We're in Missouri. We're 2 hours and like 30 minutes away from Lincoln, Nebraska. So, 2 hours and 30 minutes away from Lincoln, Nebraska. We're in Missouri, and everybody's still asleep. Let's hope and pray that this isn't what my night's gonna consist of, because they all slept all day. I hope they sleep tonight. Ugh. Because I need sleep. It's about 17-hour drive, and I have 8 hours left, almost, to Lincoln, Nebraska. Where are we now, Carter?
I don't know.
Where do you think we are?
Nebraska.
So you slept that long that you think we're in Nebraska?
Yeah.
Hi, Diana. What are you doing, Papa? Is that my Papa?
Sorry, you have to be subscribed to connected services to use navigation feature.
I
To
said
learn more
Silviano.
about what
I
you've
didn't
been
say
asking,
whatever.
Please say help.
No.
Say Siri.
No. Say no, Silviano. We're almost to Illinois.
We're gonna need to fill up on gas.
We're almost to Illinois. No, this car runs on battery. It doesn't need gas.
Huh?
Oh, where are you? Stop sign. I mean, not state sign. I don't know where the state sign went. This is the place where we go from Missouri to Illinois, and then from Illinois to Nebraska in like a 30-minute increment. So we'll see. I'm trying to find the state marker, but I don't see it. Do you see where it says welcome to Illinois, Carter? Is it that sign? Oh, it's Illinois. Oh, is that Iowa?
It's Iowa.
I meant Iowa. I said Illinois, but you know those
It says welcome to Iowa.
We made it! Brr, one more state, Carter. One more state, and we're in Wyoming. Oh, thank God. Silviano, we made it to Iowa. Say yay!
Yay!
Good job, Papa. Okay. I lied. It wasn't Illinois, it was Iowa. Carter wanted me to clarify that. We went from Missouri to Iowa. Then now we're going to Nebraska. Now we just crossed the Nebraska border, but I still haven't seen a sign. How about you? Yeah, he was saying that I messed the whole video up because I said Illinois instead of Iowa. Did I? Is this what teenagers do? Is they just shake their head at you all the time? Huh? That's all he does. Am I wrong? Am I right? Whatever. Okay, now I'm looking for the sign. We're in some hayfield. Nebraska is so much fun. I don't know what is worse, driving through Nebraska or Kansas. At least Nebraska has really good food. Kansas is... How's Kansas, Carter?
Boring.
How's Nebraska?
Boring.
Okay, you heard it from Carter. We've crossed over the Missouri River like 4 times. Like if you... Serious, we've literally crossed over it like 4 times. The Mississippi like once, the Missouri like 4 times. Oh, I think we're getting somewhere. We got to Nebraska, one more state. Woohoo! Look, there's Nebraska, Carter.
Nebraska.
We've done Kentucky, Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, and now Wyoming. 5 states in one day. How do you feel, Carter?
Normal. We do this all the time.
We do 5 states in a day?
Daddy?
Really?
Remember when we went
Tell Daddy, say, Daddy, I miss you.
I miss you.
Say, come home.
Come home.
Oh, you're so cute, Nani. I love you so much. And then I guess there's a sign for Lincoln, right? Does that say Lincoln on it? I'm blind. That blue sign right there? Oh no, it says available.
Severe thunderstorm warning information. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Nance County, northeastern Merritt County, central Polk County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Silver Creek, 21 miles southwest of Columbus, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. A Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Silver Creek around 8:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 09:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Merrick, Nass, and Polk.
Okay, this weather's starting to get on my nerves now. This is ridiculous. First we get a tornado warning, and now I'm driving back. Quarter-size hail? Come on. I just need to make it. Let's make it through Nebraska. Damage to what, Margie?
And we don't the data point.
What? What's
We're doing the movie.
Is it scary?
Let me hold your hand. When that comes on, I get scared.
Why?
Because it's so scary. It makes me scared.
Oh my goodness. Rui, are you scared?
Yeah, I have my pillows.
So,
I have my pillows.
what did you say, Rui? You want to go home to your daddy?
Yeah, we should have stayed home. Because
Rui, say it louder.
Ruben's scared because I don't want to stay home. Ruben, at least the door's not falling
Ruben,
off.
say it louder.
At least the door's not falling
Ruben.
off.
What did you say, Papa?
I want to stay with Dada.
You want to stay with Dada? Okay, Bobo.
Why are you
Carter.
interrogating me? Stop. Bro.
Carter, we made it to Wyoming. How do you feel about that? Why are you interrogating me? Sylviana, we're almost home.
She like he's doing the same thing I was doing. Oh. Can't see.
How many states was that, Carter?
Like 5 or something.
Did you think your mom was going to make it?
No.
You didn't?
I'm joking, yeah.
You had no confidence in me at all?
No.
What?
No, it's not.
What? Carter slept the whole time.
No, I didn't. She's lying. I drove the whole time.
You drove?
Yeah.
Grayson said you slammed the brakes.
Yeah, I drove.
Really? Huh.
Yeah.
Huh. Why does bright lights make you cough? Huh?
Because I'm allergic to the sun.
Do you miss Daddy? Do you miss Daddy? Sylviana.
He's blinded by the lights.
Sylviana, do you miss Daddy?
Say, Mommy, turn off the light.
I can't, then I won't see your pretty face.
Just do this.
No, that doesn't, it's not bright enough. Turn it off.
It's not even.
It's not bright enough.
Dude, I'm gonna go blind.
Ow.
Because it hurt.
Pines Bluff, we're one mile away from Wyoming. Carter, how do you feel about that?
1 mile? What do you mean?
We're 1 mile away from Wyoming. How do you feel about that?
I should just get done with school already.
Why?
Because
You don't want to do this again? You don't want to do this again? Why? Wasn't it so much fun?
no.
You know you had oodles and oodles and oodles of fun. Somebody's having a mental breakdown right now.
Everybody's waking up now. Yeah, Grace has her stinky feet out. I can smell them still. With her gingivitis.
Grace doesn't have stinky feet, Carter.
They smell like doo-doo, bro.
No, they don't.
No little girl of that age should have feet that smell that bad. Like she's sweating mayonnaise or something. Too much McDonald's is what she has.
We haven't even eaten McDonald's.
Her teacher gives her Chick-fil-A, so she's gotta be sweating mayonnaise.
That's kind of rude, Carter.
Well,
Carter, look, there's the what sign? What is that? Oh boy, we made it! We made it to Wyoming. How does that make you feel, Carter?
let me see.
How does that make you feel?
I want to get out of the car right now. Can I get out?
Want to walk the rest of the way?
No, can I just jump out?
No.
I don't want to do this again. We're gonna have to drive back.
We only have
It's gonna be so boring.
45 miles. We made it to Wyoming!
Tell mommy to stop blinding us, Nani.
What's going on, everybody? It's Houston here with Rolling with the Sanchezs. We're on day 2 of our work camping, and it's not bad. I mean, work is work, and yeah, and you just got to get it done. But yeah, it's day 2, and I'm definitely missing the wife and kids, and I'd look forward for them to come back and hang out, because yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do around here, and we're gonna go check it out. But until then, like, subscribe, show our friends, because we got a lot of work to do for the next few months. So
I got you a drink.
What is this?
Come on. Say, come on, Non. Say, come on, Nani. What doing? Silly boy. Tell Daddy, love you, miss you. No, Ruben. Tell Daddy, I miss you. Say, I miss you, Dad. Okay. Say, I miss you, Dad.
what's going on, guys? First week done. Yeah, and it's been quite pleasant. Yeah, first week done of work camping. And yeah, if you guys want to know why we are work camping or what's going on, you are going to want to hit that like, subscribe button, hit that little bell, make sure you're following us, because we produce a lot of content. We put a new video every week. So if you guys want to see cool content, what the Rolling with the Sanchezs do, we're a family of 6, and yeah, the kids should be back for my birthday. They're going to come back and hang out for a few days, and we're gonna enjoy some time, and then yeah, be here for Easter, and then they'll head back. And wait, if you're new here, hit that follow button, like, subscribe, show our friends, because we post content every week. Every Saturday we post content. Yeah, and you guys are gonna want to check it out, because we're work camping for a reason. Yeah, we got a big surprise after this work camping, and you guys want to check that out. So come along with us, like, subscribe, show our friends, because we do a lot of things. We have fun. We're a family of 6. We get it done. That's our saying. But yeah, it's been beautiful here to follow along. If you guys are interested in work camping, drop a comment down below, let us know, and yeah, I'll tell you how easy it is to get in. I mean, it's not always easy, but yeah, it's a great time, and we're trying to save some money and do things a little different this summer, so we could get something different. So till then, like, subscribe, show our friends. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button, because we appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you like our content. Let us know that we're doing good. The more you guys like it, the more people will be able to see, and that are wanting to full-time RV or even work camp. So like, subscribe, show all your friends, share. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till then, don't miss out.